Hey guys, so in this video, we're going to do some multi-step problems solving linear inequalities. Our previous video was doing single or one-step inequalities, and this video is going to be multi-step. So remember, when solving multi-step or one-step inequalities, if we multiply or divide by a negative number, you always reverse the inequality symbol. So let's do some examples of multi-step. So we have 10 minus 4/3 y is greater than 18. Sorry. All right, so first step is to subtract 10 on both sides since 10 is positive, and we want to isolate the variable. So 10 minus 10 is 0, so we have negative 4/3 y is greater than 18 minus 10 is 8. And next thing we do is multiply by the reciprocal of negative 4/3. So that would be, we can divide by negative 4/3 too, but it makes more sense to multiply by the reciprocal of negative 4/3, which would be 3/4 on both sides. All right, so these cancel out. We're just left with y. We have to flip the inequality symbol since we're multiplying by a negative number on both sides. And let's do this multiplication. So we have 8/1. We can change the 8 to a fraction since we're multiplying by a fraction times negative 3/4. 8 times 3 is, let's do it like this. 8 times 3 is negative 24 over 1 times 4 is 4. Y is less than that. And then negative 24 divided by 4 is 6. So y is less than 6. All right. Y is less than 6. Plot 6. Open or close dot. This would be a open dot. And our arrow is going to be pointing towards the left since y is less than 6. So everything less than 6 is what we want. All right. 5, 2, 0 are some of those solutions. Here's another multi-step inequality. We have 2x plus, this is 2, plus 1 is less than or equal to 6x minus 1. Okay, so sorry for the sloppiness. My stylus is not the best. I gotta get a new one. So we have variables on both sides. They're the same variables, so that's good. What we want to do is combine like terms. So our like terms are 2x and 6x, and our other like terms are 1 and negative 1. So let's get the variables on one side, and I like to keep my terms positive. So I'm going to subtract 2x on both sides. And we'll do that one first. We have the 1 on that side, 6x minus 2x is 4x minus 1. And then I'm going to add 1 on the other side. We cancel out this negative. Then we have 4x, 1 plus 1 is 2, less than or equal to 4x. And now we can divide by 4. And we're left with 2/4 or 1/2 is less than or equal to x. All right, plot that real quick. 1/2 right here. Open and close dot is a closed dot, and it says x is equal to or greater than. So greater than is in the right direction. And there we go. So here is a example of a word problem. All right, so we have an example word problem. It says you are checking a bag at the airport and bags can weigh no more than 50 pounds. Your bag weighs 16.8 pounds. Find the possible weights in pounds that you can add to the bag. So say your is already at 16.8 pounds and you want to put some more items in, but you don't want to go over 50 pounds or else you're going to have to pay extra to transport that bag. So let's use a verbal model and write out what's going on. So we have a current weight plus the weight you can add equals the weight limit. And once again, excuse my sloppiness. That looks pretty bad. Limit. Okay, so our current weight is 16.8. And we don't want to say equals. We want to say it has to be less than or equal to. All right, so we have 16 pounds, 16.8 pounds, plus the weight you can add, which we're not sure, it can be anything between a certain limit, is less than or equal to 50, which is the weight limit, okay? So let's kind of clear our screen so that we can work a little bit more. 16.8 plus W is less than or equal to 50. Let's subtract 16.8 on both sides because we want to find out what that weight is that we can add, that W, all right? 16.8 minus 16.8 is 0. We're left with weight on the one side, and 50 minus 16.8 is 33.2 pounds, okay? So you can add no more than 33.2 pounds. That's what that's saying. All right. So you can practice some of your, what you learned today on the worksheet that you'll be given on page 314 to 315, numbers 17 to 36.